Hello lovely people, welcome back to RBR Galleria, and in this today's video we'll be learning how to draw anything using lines, curves and oval circles and all. Okay, so until now we have learned how to draw straight lines, standing lines in both the directions, and sleeping lines, slanting lines, curves, semicircles and waves in all directions, right? So using these we'll try to learn how to draw different shapes or different things, different objects or probably. So we'll see how we can draw them, okay, using these shapes, these lines and all. So first let us draw a flag. So for this we need to draw straight lines. So just draw straight lines. For this, if at all you want, you can, like for the kids, they can take the help of a scale, but just give this in this way. And we have used this line, standing lines. Okay, now we'll use, with the help of these curves, we'll try to make this cloth. Okay, and now while giving the second line, you just see the distance of these both remains the same. So if at all you are starting from here, start in this way and at the same distance, whatever the starting distance is, so that you are ending also in the same distance. Okay, now we are going to do the same thing for another 2 times, right? And now here see the curves. We'll be using these curves a little bit like this and like this and like this. Okay, so this is a flag, and you can just give a small circle in between and give a point and just draw. Like now we are not going to draw the proper Indian flag, we are just trying to see how to draw the flag with the basic shapes. I'm not going to show you the shadings and all, and if at all you want to show the flag is on the land surface, you can just build something like this, giving the support. See that it is having same space on both the sides, and you can give this. Okay, so we have used here the standing lines, here we have used sleeping lines, and here we have used the curves, and in the middle we have used a circle. So the basic shapes, whatever we are using, like circles, ovals, okay, semicircles, all this we are using on this. Now we have done this. Let us see how can we draw a book with the simple shapes. So just give a sleeping line, and now give a slanting line over here, and here also a slanting line, and now again give another sleeping line. Now use small curves this way and this way, and now join these two, and now join these two parts here and this way. Okay, you can just give a number of lines over here. Here this is all the shading part, we can see this in the upcoming classes. You can just give this. So this resembles a book, right? Now let us draw one more thing. For this I'll just take a reference of plus symbol. So here I'll just draw one standing line and one sleeping line here, and I'll draw a slanting line, one more slanting line, and here one more slanting line, this one also a slanting line, right? And now I'm going to join these two. Here I'm going to give a small curve, and here 2 slanting lines and I'm going to join this, and here one curve. This is a kite, right? Kids love to make this, a very simple kite with just simple lines and a curve. And now we can draw one more object, like say a candle. We'll try to draw a candle. Okay, so for this we just need one sleeping line and then give a standing line. See that your lines are very confident, then you'll not make mistakes. First thing is you should have the confidence that I can draw it very well. Okay, for this you need to practice, so keep on practicing all the basic shapes so that you can become perfect in this. And now in this we'll just find the middle point of the sleeping line. So this is my middle point. Okay, so here I'm going to take a little bit above the same middle point, I'm going to give a curve, and here also I'm going to give a curve, and this. And now let us see that the wax is dropping something like this. So for this I'm going to give a curve and a small curve and a small droplet like oval, and then here I'm going to make different shapes with the curves and show this. And here also I'm going to give a curve, and you can make it a little bit more and give a oval shape. And here you can just draw these curves. Okay, let us see how okay, we'll just give a candle stand also here, the same way how we gave for the flag. See that we are giving an equal distance on both the sides, and then this way, this way. Okay, there's a candle stand, right? So like this, using using lines, we can make many shapes. Now we'll try to draw some 3D box. Okay, another sleeping line, join these both. Right, now we'll just give 2 slanting lines, and here also one more slanting line, and here also one more slanting line. Just draw them. Just draw straight lines. We learn this in depth in the upcoming classes. I'm just showing what we can draw with the basic shapes. Okay, this way. And you can also join this. The shading part and all I'll be teaching you later. And these are few things which I have showed you now, and if you want to learn or if you want me to show few more things on this, please comment in the comment box so that I can teach you what you want. If you like this channel, please like the channel, and please share it, because I'm teaching everything in step by step. If at all whoever is interested can really gain the knowledge. Like I'm here to share all my knowledge, whatever I'm having. So please share the channel, and if at all you are new to this channel, please subscribe it. And happy drawing. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.